Antioxidant is one of the things that most people do not get a lot of it in their diet. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the things that you can do to boost your antioxidants intake. So keep watching to learn more. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Josy. If you are new here, welcome. For those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much. Those of you watching me who haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you wouldn't miss any of my videos. In today's video, I'm going to talk about antioxidant and how important it is for our health. For those of you who don't know what antioxidant is, there are a lot of meanings when it comes to antioxidants, in terms of scientific terms. But I don't want to say a lot about it because I don't want to complicate stuff. So in a simple term, antioxidant is something in our body that we can produce it ourselves, and it helps us neutralize the free radical that causes diseases like diabetes, cancer, heart diseases, and a whole lot more. So with that being said, it means that as a healthy human being or as a human, we always need our antioxidants to help us fight these free radicals. So if you have a low antioxidant, it also means that you're going to get sick, and you're also going to get some of the diseases that is killing us a lot. A lot of people ask me, so does it mean that I can take supplement to boost my antioxidants? No, you cannot. A lot of research has shown that the supplement that boosts your antioxidants are not really good for us. The best way to boost your antioxidant is through the food that we eat. And our body also produces it themselves if you are eating healthy. So you don't need to take supplement for it. And research has shown that it doesn't really help. So there's no need for supplement for antioxidant. So antioxidant is very important when it comes to our health, because we always want to stay healthy. We always want to fight these free radicals so that we wouldn't get sick and causes a lot of diseases for us. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 simple ways that you can do to boost your antioxidants so that you wouldn't take any supplement for it. My number 1 tip is to eat fruit and vegetables. As you all know, it's so obvious that fruit and vegetables contain a lot of antioxidants. So it's the best way to boost your antioxidants. Where we are talking about fruit and vegetables, a lot of people think that they eat a lot of fruit and vegetables daily. But to tell you the truth, only 10% of people in America get the quantity that they need for fruit and vegetables a day. If you want to check if you are getting enough, you can use the half plate method. The half plate method means that on your plate, half of it should be fruit and vegetable, then the rest should be other stuff. It's one of the easiest way that a lot of dietitians or a lot of diet company talks about it. In a day, do you know that we need 5 servings of fruit and vegetables? So if you are getting your 5 servings, then it's equal that you are getting a lot of antioxidants in your body. So the best way to get your 5 servings is constantly eating half of your plate, fruit and vegetables. So on the screen, I'm going to show you some of the fruit and vegetables that has high antioxidants, so that when you go to your grocery stores, you will buy most of them. Is it unadvisable to eat just high antioxidant fruit and vegetables? I would say no. So I always advise people to mix them up, like fruits that they have high antioxidants with fruit that they have maybe high vitamin C or other source of minerals. My second point is to eat a lot of whole food than processed food. I have talked about it on this channel that processed food is not good for us. It contains a lot of salt, which causes a lot of heart problems. So eating less of it in general help you. But when you eat a lot of whole food, you get a lot of antioxidants. When this food are being processed, it reduces the antioxidants level. And even some of them do not even have any antioxidant after being processed. So my advice is that eat a lot of old food so that you can get more of your antioxidants. I'm not telling you to stop eating processed food totally. You can switch them around. When you eat a lot of old food and once in a while you eat the processed food, that's okay. But eating a lot of processed food does not help the body. We are in a journey to eat healthy. So limit your processed food. My next tip that I love so much is to drink a lot of beverages. There is a ton of beverages. I'm not talking about the sugary beverages. I'm talking about your coffee and your tea. When it comes to antioxidants, do you know that coffee contains a lot of it? Most people in America here drink a lot of coffee every day, so they get a lot of antioxidants from it. But there are some people who don't like coffee at all. So why can you get your antioxidants? Green tea also has antioxidants. So if you like green tea, you can drink your green tea. Me, for instance, I like drinking teas, a lot of different types of teas. And green tea is one of them. So if I don't want to drink coffee, I'll drink a green tea and I still get my antioxidants from it. If you are the type who don't like green tea, there is other teas like robust tea. It's one of the best. It smells good, it tastes good. And when you drink that, you get a lot of antioxidants. Oh, somebody may say, what about if I'm not a tea person? Don't worry. When you drink unsweetened hot cocoa, you also get a lot of antioxidants. Yes, I said unsweetened. It means that we don't want you to eat a lot of sugar. It reduces the antioxidant level. So if you are the chocolate person and you want to get your antioxidants, drink the unsweetened one, and that one also give you a lot of antioxidants. My fourth point is to eat variety of spices. If you are somebody from Africa or Ghana or West Africa, most people know that we cook with a lot of spices, variety of them. I like cooking with spices because it makes the food smells good and makes it taste good as well. A lot of spices contain a lot of antioxidants. That's why I like cooking with them. So when you eat it, I get a lot of antioxidants and also it makes my food taste very, very good. If you are the type who cook with spices, I will leave on the screen some of the spices that has the highest antioxidant so that when you go to the stores, you can buy them. The easiest way that you can eat a lot of spices is to cook with them. And it doesn't have to be just one way spices. You can mix different type of spices and it comes out very, very good. Leave in the comment below if you want to know different ways that I cook with spices or different combinations, and I'll do a video on that. My last point is to eat a lot of herbs. Herbs is some of the things that people do not buy at all when you go to the grocery store, unless the person really, really likes it. But herbs is one of the best way to get your antioxidants. The easiest way to eat your herbs is to add it to your salads, your stews, your soups, and many more. There are different types of herbs around. At times when I go to the grocery store, I pass them. I don't really pay attention to them. It's something that is easily mixed. But what normally I've been doing is that I've been trying to buy at least one type of herbs to bring home so that I can eat them. And I normally add it to salads and it goes really, really well. So I'll leave on the screen some of the herbs that contain the highest antioxidants so that when you go to the grocery store, you will check them out. So these are the 5 tips to help you boost your antioxidants. Please leave in the comment below if you've been eating some of this food or if you are trying to boost your antioxidants. Thanks for watching me today. I will see you in my next video.